Good afternoon, Gov students. Let's talk a little bit about the types of federalism that we introduced yesterday and we talked a little bit more about today, and we'll dive even more into tomorrow. Remember, what we're talking about here is a question of who has the right answers, or who has the right to answer these questions, put another way. When we're talking about issues of speed limits or marijuana legalization or ed policy or illegal immigration, border control, drinking age, or gay marriage, all of those, central to those questions, are your perspective on federalism. And remember, federalism is how do we share power amongst the national level, state, and local level, and who gets to make those decisions. Obviously, I think gay marriage has been a settled question constitutionally, but the issue of drinking age or the issue of legalization of marijuana is a very big deal still, where states want to do things and the national government wants to do other things. And so we have to understand the role the federal government, national government plays in helping states answer this and what states want and local governments want out of this. The key question we really need to look at is, what does the Constitution say about if we are state citizens or if we're national citizens? Because the Constitution was clear about how states should interact with each other. It was also clear about the fact that the national government's law is supreme over the state law, so when there's a conflict between those two, it's resolved by the Supremacy Clause. But then it also says the states are the ones that have to ratify the Constitution. And then it also says in the 10th Amendment that if we didn't list any of the powers of government here, all of those that we didn't list are held by the states. So it's confusing in the sense that it gives the national government some power, it gives states power to do their own thing, but it also says states have to recognize other states' laws. So there's a lot of mixed messages. And so what we really get to then is understanding the conflict and understanding the difficulty when we look at dual federalism, cooperative federalism, coercive federalism, and devolution. And so that's going to be the topic of our discussion tomorrow in class, but come to class with any questions you might have. That's it for now.